Europe, a continent rich in history and culture, holds secrets that even the brightest minds can't unravel. Join me, Rohan Bro, as we journey through time and space to explore 10 of the most intriguing phenomena that have left scientists scratching their heads for centuries. Imagine an entire town dancing uncontrollably for days on end. This wasn't a scene from a medieval fairy tale, but a very real and very frightening event that gripped the city of Strasbourg in the summer of 1518. It began with a single woman, Frau Trophea, who stepped into the street and began to move her body with an almost manic energy. Her steps were erratic, her face contorted in a grimace, and she continued to dance for hours, even as exhaustion set in. What started as a solitary display soon turned into a mass phenomenon. Within days, dozens, then hundreds of people had joined Frau Trophea in her frantic dance. Physicians were baffled, unable to find any logical explanation for this bizarre behavior. The dancing subsided as mysteriously as it began, leaving behind unanswered questions and a chilling tale etched in the annals of history. Is it a treasure trove or just a really elaborate prank? The Oak Island Money Pit is a mystery that has captivated treasure hunters for centuries. Located off the coast of Nova Scotia, Canada, this unassuming island holds a secret that has driven many to obsession. The story begins in 1795 when a young man named Daniel McGuinness stumbled upon a peculiar depression in the ground while exploring the island. Intrigued, he and a few friends began to dig, uncovering layers of logs and flagstones at regular intervals. Convinced they had stumbled upon buried treasure, they continued their excavation, only to be stymied by a series of increasingly elaborate booby traps. Over the years, numerous expeditions have attempted to unearth the secrets of the Money Pit, but all have met with failure. Is the Oak Island Money Pit a treasure trove beyond imagination, or a cleverly designed hoax that has fooled generations? The answer, it seems, lies buried beneath layers of earth and intrigue. And just when you think it can't get any stranger, we come to the Voynich Manuscript. Imagine a book filled with strange symbols and illustrations that no one can decipher. The Voynich Manuscript is perhaps the most enigmatic book in the world. This beautifully illustrated codex, written in an unknown script and filled with bizarre diagrams, has perplexed cryptographers, linguists, and historians for centuries. The manuscript is believed to date back to the 15th or 16th century, but its origins and purpose remain a complete mystery. Despite countless attempts at decipherment, the Voynich Manuscript remains an enigma, its secrets locked away in a language that seems to defy understanding. Is it a hoax, a work of elaborate fiction, or a message from a time and place beyond our comprehension? The Voynich Manuscript stands as a testament to the limits of our knowledge and the enduring power of the unknown. Chapter 4. The Green Children of Woolpit. Speaking of strange, have you heard about the children who appeared out of nowhere? In the 12th century, a small village in England was visited by two very unusual guests. They were children, a brother and sister, who emerged from a nearby wolf pit, their skin a peculiar shade of green. They spoke an unknown language, refused to eat any food offered to them, and seemed bewildered by their surroundings. The villagers took them in, and slowly the children began to adapt to their new environment. Their skin lost its green hue, they developed a taste for human food, and they learned to speak English. The boy, however, fell ill and died shortly after their arrival. Was Agnes's story true? Was it a product of trauma or a fantastical tale concocted to explain their unusual appearance? The mystery of the Green Children of Woolpit continues to intrigue, a tale whispered through the centuries. Chapter 5. The Devil's Footprints. One cold winter night, mysterious hoof-like prints appeared in the snow, stretching for miles across the English countryside. On the morning of February 8, 1855, the residents of Devon, England awoke to a sight that would both baffle and terrify them. A series of hoof-like tracks, some measuring 4 inches long and spaced 8 to 16 inches apart, had appeared overnight, traversing gardens, fields, and even rooftops. The tracks, which became known as the Devil's Footprints, stretched for over 100 miles, appearing in a continuous line with no indication of turning or stopping. Theories about the culprit ranged from escaped kangaroos to a meteorological phenomenon to, of course, the devil himself. The Devil's footprints remain an enigma, a chilling reminder that even in the 19th century, the world could still hold mysteries beyond our understanding. Chapter 6. The Hessdalen Lights. What could be causing these eerie lights in the sky? High in the Hessdalen Valley of Norway, a strange phenomenon has been occurring for decades. Mysterious lights, ranging in color from white to yellow to red, dance and flicker in the night sky, sometimes remaining visible for hours at a time. First reported in the 1940s, the Hessdalen Lights have become a source of fascination and speculation. Scientists have proposed a number of explanations, including ionized dust particles, radon gas emissions, and even ball lightning. However, none of these theories fully account for the erratic movements and varied colors of the lights. The Hessdalen Lights continue to be a subject of ongoing research, attracting scientists and UFO enthusiasts from around the world who hope to unlock the secrets of this enigmatic phenomenon. Chapter 7. The Baltic Sea Anomaly. And if you think that's bizarre, wait until you hear about this underwater enigma. In 2011, a Swedish oceanographic survey team made an astonishing discovery while sonar scanning the floor of the Baltic Sea. They detected a large circular object approximately 60 meters in diameter, with unusual features that resembled ramps, stairways, and corridors. The object, which quickly became known as the Baltic Sea Anomaly, sparked intense speculation about its origins. Some believe it to be a natural geological formation, while others speculate that it could be a sunken city, a crashed UFO, or even a secret Nazi underwater base from World War II. Until then, the true nature of this underwater enigma will remain a mystery. Chapter 8. The Stone Spheres of Costa Rica. From the depths of the sea to the jungles of Costa Rica, the mysteries keep coming. Deep within the rainforests of Costa Rica lie hundreds of perfectly spherical stone balls, some measuring up to 8 feet in diameter and weighing over 16 tons. These enigmatic objects, known as the Stone Spheres of Costa Rica, were first discovered in the 1930s and have puzzled archaeologists and scientists ever since. No one knows for sure who created these spheres, how they were transported to their current locations, or what purpose they served. The spheres are often found arranged in groups, sometimes forming geometric patterns or alignments with astronomical significance. The stone spheres of Costa Rica remain one of the most intriguing archaeological mysteries of our time, a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of a lost civilization. Chapter 9. The Piri Reis Map. A map that shows Antarctica centuries before it was discovered. The Piri Reis Map, named after the Ottoman admiral who compiled it in the 16th century, is a remarkable document that has sparked controversy and debate among historians and cartographers. This map, drawn on gazelle skin, depicts not only Europe and Africa with astonishing accuracy, but also parts of the Americas and, most intriguingly, the coastline of Antarctica. What makes this so extraordinary is that Antarctica was not officially discovered until 1820, centuries after the Piri Reis Map was created. How could the mapmakers of the 16th century have known about a continent that was supposedly hidden beneath ice and snow for millennia? Some scholars believe that the Piri Reis Map is evidence of an advanced ancient civilization that possessed knowledge of navigation and cartography far beyond what is commonly attributed to that time period. Whether the Piri Reis Map is a product of ancient wisdom or simply a compilation of existing knowledge, it remains a fascinating and controversial artifact that challenges our understanding of history. Chapter 10. The Taos Hum. Is it a natural phenomenon or just a really annoying sound? Since the 1990s, residents of Taos, New Mexico, and other locations around the world have reported hearing a low-frequency hum that seems to emanate from the Earth itself. This mysterious sound, known as the Taos Hum, has been described as a low rumble, a diesel engine idling in the distance, or a refrigerator humming. It is often heard indoors, particularly at night, and is more pronounced in rural areas with low ambient noise levels. Despite numerous investigations, the source of the Taos Hum remains a mystery. Some researchers believe it to be a geophysical phenomenon caused by the movement of tectonic plates or the interaction of ocean waves with the seafloor. Adding to the intrigue, the Taos Hum is not audible to everyone. Whatever the cause, the Taos Hum continues to be a source of fascination and frustration, a reminder that even in the 21st century, there are still mysteries that science cannot fully explain. Outro: the mysteries remain. From dancing plagues to mysterious underwater structures, Europe's unexplained phenomena offer a glimpse into the unknown, challenging our understanding of the world and igniting our imaginations. These mysteries remind us that the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more intriguing content. Until next time, keep exploring the unknown.